What's up, Wix coin holders? What's going on this time, my friend? The Wix coin were fails down in last 12 hours. That's really bad news, my friend, for all of you. In last 24 hours they were fails down. But don't worry, my friends. In this video, I will give you some very good news, and also we will predict now, my friends, to in upcoming days, my friends, especially and my friend October 25. Can they will give a profit or not, my brother? So let me start a brand video, but please remember this is not a financial video. I just advise you to kindly research personally before you take any decision, because we have not responsible for any kind of loss. My friends, Wix coin will be pumps up, my friend, if we check out the last 7 days chart. So 3.86% the price will increase now in last 7 days. But my friend, in those days, my friend, the current condition is very critical. You can see here in last 3 days, just only you can see 3.44% the price is increased now. But my friend, in last 12 hour and last 24 hour, my friend, the price is very badly falls down. So remember, this is temporary fails. This is not a permanent term. Absolutely, after this term, you can see, my friend, they will move upward. So therefore, if they were fails down, so I hope so they will also wake up and get a very good profit. So Wix coin holder, please holders, hold down, don't start in selling and wait for the end of month. I am 100% sure, my friends, to at the end of this month every coin will completely go to the moon. So therefore, this time the all crypto market is uncomfortable, but I hope, my friends, to in upcoming days the all crypto market is comfortable and they will give you a very huge profits. So see you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.